Hi everybody, this is Adam Pecoraro with Flexoraro Fitness. Thanks for clicking on our video. Today we're watching my wife Rebecca do her HIIT workout. Today's workout follows a strength training workout that she did on the very same day with her arms. So we did arms, took a break, and now we're finishing off with a 3-round HIIT workout of the following exercise. Now Beck's gonna start things off with a RDL, a Romanian deadlift. And this is a traditional barbell lift, and it's used to develop strength in the posterior chain of muscles. And that includes the erector spinae and gluteus maximus, hamstrings, and the adductors. And when it's done correctly, the RDL is an exercise that helps to strengthen both the core and the lower body all in one move. Basically, you do a deadlift without putting the weight down. So whatever your max deadlift is, you don't do that. You have to do something that you can maintain time under tension on. This is a very good functional exercise. As far as the erector spinae muscles, they're a group of long muscles. They originate near the sacrum and extend like vertically up and down the length of the back. Basically, what they do is they function to move your vertebrae so that you can extend the spine and so that you can also do lateral flexion. They help to maintain posture by setting the spine on the pelvis during walking as well. Here, that's my thing. Here's a picture. Those muscles. Okay, so now Becca's gonna do a kettlebell jump squat. And the kettlebell jump squat works your quads and hamstrings, glutes, but also your core. It's, the same as regular squats, except it also helps to build explosive power, which allows you to take off and move more nimbly. It can increase your vertical jump height, so if you play sports like basketball, that could help. It conditions not only the muscles of your lower body, but also the joints. So if you're somebody who thinks long-term, and you want to avoid osteoporosis in the future, this is something that can really help. Plus, it's a great way to burn calories faster than a traditional squat. Okay, so next we have the Kettlebell Swing, which is great for building muscle. You work your whole body. It's an alternative to traditional cardio fitness, great anaerobic cardio, so that can also help with weight loss. It's easier on your back than a lot of exercises, although you still have to pull your stomach in and brace your back and maintain a neutral spine. It can improve your posture if you really pay attention to the detail of it. And it can improve your flexibility in your hips, pelvis, and back. It improves your balance. It can build power, because this is definitely a strength and speed move, so a power move, which it, improves athleticism as well. And what I really like about it is it's low impact. You want some low impact power training, this is a great one to do. Okay, so now Becca's moving over to the ski machine. Now, when you do the ski machine pull, primarily you work your triceps, trapezius, lats, and calves. But there's secondary muscles too, like your abs. Oh man, you can get a great ab crunch on the ski machine. You can work your glutes, hamstrings, your hip flexors, quads, and even the muscles around your shins. So when you think about getting like shin splints, this is an exercise you can do to condition those muscles to help avoid that from happening. Plus, it's great cardio. So we got a ton of legs right here off the bat, and 3 of those leg exercises are heavy on the anaerobic cardio. Now we do a quote-unquote rest for the legs. They're still involved, but not as intensely. And we're gonna work the plank up-down. Now it's an exercise that combines the best of both worlds because you get to strengthen your arms and your core and abs all in one go. So your abs, your core, your lower back, your triceps, your glutes, your quads, they're all a part of this exercise. Now for maximum benefit, you want to do it in a steady rhythm and pay total attention to your form. DOG is checking form. Try to keep your body straight and your lower abs pulled in. Whenever we do a plank, I always like to say head to heel, strong as steel. And it's okay to drop to your knees too when you need a rest. And then we cap off this HIIT workout routine with an in and out double crunch. And when performed correctly, the double crunch will effectively engage more core muscles than doing either an abdominal crunch or leg lifts on their own. It's a 2-in-1 move, and it'll target your obliques, your hip flexors, and your rectus abdominis. So I like it as far as a good bang for your buck, but it is challenging. You're trying to bring your elbows towards your knees and you need to get your shoulders up. It doesn't have to go real high. The higher, the harder. You add intensity. And you also need to keep your heels off the ground, which can continue to tax the hip flexors and the quadriceps. But if you're capable of doing it, it's a great bang for your fitness buck. So that's the whole routine, and Becca did this 3 times over, 60 seconds of maximum reps on each exercise with about a 30-second recovery interval in between. It really helps if you click the thumbs up button and like the video. Also, subscribe to our channel, that way you're notified every time we upload a new video. And if you leave a comment, I'd be happy to respond. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.